Hello everyone, you are watching the channel Incredible Facts. Military robots can perform completely different tasks, and the fact that they are needed by almost any army in the world is undeniable. But sometimes, the availability of such a technique turns out to be too expensive. And that's why we have prepared for you a selection of the 10 most expensive military robots in the world. Warthog. Warthog is a large all-terrain unmanned ground vehicle capable of traveling on land and in water. It can handle tough environments with its rugged build and low ground pressure. It was developed by the Canadian company ClearPath Robotics. The quad-track system mounted on the robot provides ultimate traction and the lightest footprint for tackling the roughest terrains. Payload mounting plates and accessible power and communication ports allow Warthog to be easily customized with sensors, manipulators, and other payloads. Warthog's powerful drivetrain is capable of moving 272 kilograms of payload and can reach speeds up to 11 miles per hour, 18 kilometers an hour on land. The all-electric skid-steer platform has expendable power, allowing for a runtime of 8 hours. As for the cost, it's $95,000 for each Warthog. HDT Hunter Wolf. HDT's Hunter-wheeled offload logistics follower, Wolf, is a rugged 6x6 load carrier for dismounted infantry. Closely matching the mobility of infantry, the Hunter Wolf can traverse narrow trails, steep slopes, and dense jungles. Using only internal fuel, the vehicle has a 60 miles 100 kilometer range and 72-hour endurance. The vehicle's JP8 electric hybrid powertrain provides both a silent drive and silent watch capability. The ruggedness and simplicity of Hunter Wolf makes it very affordable. The system's modular architecture and full compliance with the Army's interoperability protocols makes the vehicle easy to upgrade, using a wide variety of mission kits, and keeps lifecycle costs low. The Hunter Wolf can carry a maximum payload of up to 450 kilograms. The cost of one Hunter Wolf is about $100,000. Scorpion RS2. The Scorpion RS2 by How and How and Ardec is a robotic weapon station for ground combat that engages the enemy with lethal or less than lethal force in a safe, accurate fashion. The manufacturer provided such basic characteristics of the Scorpion RS2. Its maximum speed is 14 miles per hour, 22 kilometers an hour. Robot autonomy up to 24 hours. Armament of the robotic system is an M2 machine gun mounted on a remote-controlled CROWS-2 module. The CROWS combat module was developed by Recon Optical and is used by the US Army on military vehicles. It is equipped with an integrated fire control system, which has a built-in thermal imager and video camera, providing ballistic correction when the vehicle is moving. The cost of the Scorpion RS2 is $133,000. Tiger. Transportable interoperable ground robot, Tiger is an all-weather, all-terrain tactical robot with superior maneuverability that is well suited for operation requiring moderate payload mobility. It was designed and developed by Israeli unmanned robot manufacturer Roboteam. Day or night, in rough terrain and urban settings, the Tiger 360-degree cameras identify threats from a safe distance, and the manipulator, with 6 degrees of freedom, retrieves and delivers payloads of up to 20 kilograms. The Tiger can rapidly deploy from the back of a truck or the trunk of a car to give first responders fast and safe access to hazardous situations, while lightening their load with a lightweight control unit. The cost of one such robot is $250,000. MUT. Multi-Utility Tactical Transport, MUT, unmanned ground vehicle is being offered by General Dynamics Land Systems to project combat power while reducing the warfighter's burden. The vehicle is intended to provide persistence, intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition and reconnaissance, and lethality to dismounted infantry units in any operational environment. The UGV can be easily configured to accommodate a variety of larger payloads and new controllers. It offers high levels of autonomy and low thermal and noise signatures. In the teleoperation mode, the teleoperator executes most of the UGV missions by remote control, using line-of-sight communications within a range of 200 meters. The tracked variant offers a maximum range of 60 miles, 97 kilometers, while the wheeled configuration has a range of 36 miles, 58 kilometers. The cost of the MUT is $260,000. BVLOS. Milrem Robotics and ST Engineering demonstrated the ability of the Themis Armed Combat Unmanned Ground Vehicle to operate under Beyond Visual Line of Sight (BVLOS) conditions. It can serve as a force multiplier for dismounted troops in both urban and rural areas. The Joint Warfare System brings together the Themis UGV and the Adder-DM medium caliber remote weapon station. The vehicle can achieve a top speed of 12 miles per hour, 20 kilometers an hour, and is powered by a diesel-electric drive that can ensure uninterrupted operation for 15 hours. The combat UGV can be armored up to STANAG 4569 Level 3, a NATO standard for the protection levels for occupants of logistic and light armored vehicles. As for the cost of BVLOS, it's $350,000 per unit. Uran 9. The Uran 9 is a tracked unmanned combat ground vehicle developed and produced by JSC 766 UPTK, currently by Kalishnikov Concern, and promoted and offered by Rosoboronexport for the international market. The Uran 9 robot complex consists of 4 unmanned ground vehicles, 1 mobile command station, and a tractor for transportation of robots. The Uran 9 is fitted with a remotely operated turret for mounting different light and medium caliber weapons and missiles based on mission needs. The unmanned ground vehicle has the ability to resist firing of small arms ammunition and shell splinters. The steel armor plates of the hull offer protection for the vehicle's suspension. The robot's tracked chassis offers increased cross-country mobility. According to experts, the cost of one Uran 9 robot is about $1 million. Harris T-7. The Harris T-7 explosive ordnance disposal system provides best-in-class mobility, manipulation, and intuitive control, delivering uncompromised performance for critical missions. The robot is intended for use by the soldiers in explosive ordnance disposal missions, including detection, identification, recovery, and disposal of explosive ordnance and improvised explosive devices. It is fitted with 2 driving cameras for providing increased situational awareness at the front and rear. 4 fender-mounted cameras located at the corners allow the operator to maneuver the robot in close quarters. The T-7 robot's manipulator is controlled using a haptic controller from a distance of up to 1 kilometer. It is powered by a single lithium-ion battery and offers a runtime of 3 hours. The cost of one T-7 robot is $1.2 million. Weasel Wingman. The Weasel Wingman is a new variant of the German Army's Weasel light armored vehicle, developed to compete for the US Army's robotic combat vehicle requirement. The Wingman is the fully digital version of the digitized Weasel with a gear in place of the mechanical and hydraulic transmission elements. It has a high mobility with a maximum speed of 43 miles per hour, 70 kilometers an hour, and the good maneuverability on different terrain due to the low weight and low ground pressure. The kit for artificial intelligence makes it possible to perform semi-autonomous and autonomous operations of the remote control via the leader-follower operation through to waypoint. The cost of one wingman robot is about $1.5 million. Ripsaw M5. The Ripsaw M5 is the 5th generation of Ripsaw, providing speed, mobility, and unmanned capability. The M5 can silently maneuver and keep pace with the current and future maneuver forces, pushing capabilities beyond the human formation. The M5 can be installed with medium-caliber weapons and missiles. The Protector medium-caliber turret on the robotic combat vehicle is armed with a 30mm, 40mm Bushmaster cannon and a 7.62mm coaxial gun. According to the plan of the creators, the Ripsaw M5 will be an ideal partner for the M2A3 Bradley infantry fighting vehicle. It's not specified when the M5 will enter service with the US Army, but experts predict that the cost of one such robot will be at least $2.5 million. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Write in the comments which of the military robots you liked the most. Also, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new interesting videos.